Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to enable Google Lens on any Poco phone. Now, to enable Google Lens, just tap on the camera icon on your search bar on your home screen. Now from here, just give Google Lens these permissions. Now from here, you can use Google Lens on your smartphone. Just like that. Now for an example, if you cannot find the search bar on your home screen, or if this Google Lens icon is not available on your search bar, you can download the Google Lens app on your smartphone. Just go to the Play Store. Now from here, just search Google Lens. Now from here, just install this app. Now it will take a few seconds to download the app. Now once the app is fully downloaded, tap on Open. Now from here, you can use Google Lens on your smartphone. Just like that. And this is how you can enable Google Lens on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.